Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, daylight savings time, so make sure you're adjusting your clocks that don't automatically adjust like your microwave or stove, and in your car if you have an older car like I do. And there is some really good deals happening today at Walgreens, and I have a $5 Walgreens cash on any transaction, which is interesting. So that's the only booster I have, but $5 in Walgreens cash is $5 in Walgreens cash to help me lower my out-of-pocket. And there is a printable breakdown just in case you want to check it out, print it off, take it to store with you. There is that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. I go to 4 stores not every week. CVS is every other week. But regardless, I go to 4 different stores. And yeah, I go couponing super early in the morning. If you had to work last night, like I did, you were excited to see the second 1 o'clock. If you know, you know. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Alright, y'all, my store has tons of different clearances throughout the whole makeup area, and most of them are buy one get one 50% off. Plus we have some coupons, so definitely check your store and look for items that you like. So right now, select cosmetics are buy one get one 50% off, and then eye products, specific only eye products, are spend 15 get $5 in register rewards. Now it's not brand specific for that, so you can mix and match, but the best deal I could put together real quick is on CoverGirl. Well, that's what I wanted to do, but so the easiest way is to grab 2 of the $10.99 products. You can grab mascara or these I believe the eyebrow or eyeliners are included. So I was just trying to scan products to see if they attach like those, and all of them are not found. Even this one, like I found this one online. This is like on my piece of paper as the product to display, and it shows not found, so that's not helpful. But online, this is the one I put together in my deal, so it's $10.99. So grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $16.48. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $14.48 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2. It's a limit of 1, unfortunately. And then on checkout 51, we have $2 for the second product. Then we'll get the $5 in register rewards for spending $15, making them $5.48 for both, which isn't that bad since they're more expensive products. Now, if you want to grab the $6.99 clearance ones, you'll have to grab a total of 3 of them. Now, make sure you're scanning on Ibotta. I know the Cleantopia ones aren't attaching to the rebate, and then some specific colors of this one isn't as well, but grabbing 3 of them, one will be 50% off and 2 of them will be full price, so your total will be $17.47. You'll use the $2 coupon. You'll pay $15.47 at the register. You'll submit to checkout 51 and hopefully Swagbucks. I know some people have problems submitting to both. I would suggest having a different background when submitting to the other one. And then, I don't have problems, but that's kind of what I do. So we'll get a total of $4 back between checkout 51 and Swagbucks, and then to Ibotta for $2 plus the $5 register reward for spending the $15 makes all 3 of them $4.47, which I think is a phenomenal deal. Now, I've never heard of the Cleantopia ones. My store doesn't have it anymore, but there's more options online that it shows. But you can grab like 3 of these or 2 of these, and like if you can find something else that works with Ibotta. It looks like this specific black works, but the very black one, which is that one, does not scan. It's excluded. It's got a list of exclusions, so make sure you're reading and scanning. Otherwise, for easy clearance finds as well, some of these are $4.99 and some are $6.49. We have a $2 digital coupon that I saw that works with like the face stuff, so that'll be a lot cheaper. We have a $1 digital coupon. I believe it's specific for lip products though. Right now, select Gillette and Gillette Venus razors are buy two, get $6 in register rewards, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So the cheapest woman's razor that my store carries is this purple Comfort Glide for $11.49, or there's the Venus Smooth Deluxe as well at $11.49. Now, according to the ad, the cheapest men's option that my store carries is this Gillette Fusion 5 for $12.99. But so this product is tagged in my store, the Gillette Mach 3 that's $10.99. But if you scan it, it does not show buy one get one 50% off, and this product is tagged as well, but it does not scan and show up in the app as buy one get one 50% off, and it's not as part of like the products attached to the promotion. So just be cautious if you're gonna try to grab these products. Just to be on the safe side, look for the $12.99 product. So grabbing both of those products will be $18.73, since the woman's product will be the 50% off product since it is cheaper. We have a $3 digital coupon for the women's razor and a $3 digital coupon for the men's razor. You'll be left to pay $12.73 at the register. Then you'll get the $6 register reward for buying two, making them $6.73 for both. We also have a free print from Walgreens using the code. I'll have it popped up on the screen. I don't remember exactly what it is, but I'll pop it up on the screen so you can grab a free print and maybe a paper booster. Right now, select Schick disposable razors or shaving cream is part of the promotion. Buy or spend 10, get $5 in register rewards, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So you're gonna grab a men or women's razor for $8.99. Then you're gonna grab a shave gel for $4.99, and the shave gel will be the 50% item. So these two products will total you $11.48. We have a $3 digital coupon for the razor, so you'll be left to pay $8.48 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for spending the $10, making them $3.48 for both. Tom's Main toothpaste is on promotion. Buy one, get one 40% off. Buy two, get $4 in register rewards. And the kids' ones are $5.99. So one at full price, one at 50% off will be, or not 40% off, will be $9.58. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6.58 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $2.58 for both. Now, if you wanted to grab the adult toothpaste, they are $6.99. So one at full price, one at 40% off will be $11.18. So we'll use that $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $8.18 at the register, but get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $4.18 for both. Right now, select Colgate products are buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4. So you're going to grab two toothpaste. There's quite a variety for a total of $8. Use a $4 off of two digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $4 at the register. Then we'll get the $3 register reward for buying two, make them $1 for both. Now, if you prefer the Colgate Optic White Rinse, for grabbing either this or the toothbrushes, we do have a separate $4 off of two digital coupon that covers specifically the mouth rinse and the toothbrushes. So we have a really good deal on Febreze products there this week. They are on sale for $3.49. Our select ones. A lot of the single count ones are, so any of the Febreze Air Mist, even like the these more, in my opinion, they're more expensive ones. They're not always included in the deals, but these are $3.49, $3.49, and this Febreze fabric $3.49, which is surprising, but whatever. Plus the single count small spaces and the single count cars are included. So you can grab two of them. We have a $3.50 digital coupon, making them buy one get one free. Right now, select Downy, Tide, and Bounce products are on sale for buy four, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4.99. Other products are on sale for $5.49, so just be careful on what you're grabbing. So you can grab something like the Tide Power Pods, or you can come grab a Tide Liquid. You can grab a Downy Rinse and Refresh if your store has any stock, or a downy softener works as well. We have select scent boosters included in this, even some of the light scents. Plus, lastly, we have some bounce dryer sheets included in this deal. For example, this would be 4 products you could grab. Your total will be $19.96 at the register. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, a $1 digital coupon for the Downy, a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and a $1 digital coupon for the Downy Scent Boosters. So you'll pay $15.96 at the register, get the $4 register reward for buying 4, make them $11.96 for all 4 products. And we do have a $1 digital coupon for all the other things that I listed as not being part of the 4 that I showed. The nice brand of almonds and cashews are buy one get one free, so you can grab easy savings if you like these products. This is by far not the best deal, but if you do need soda this week, Pepsi products are buy 2 get 2 free, so you'll grab 2 at $11.49, or grab a total of 4 and you'll pay for 2, so it'll be $22.98 for all 4, so about like $5.75 a case. Like I said, definitely not the best deal, but you can always use Walgreens cash if you have Walgreens cash. So right now, Halloween decorations are 60% off and candies only 50% off. Now I heard probably Tuesday or Wednesday they'll probably drop the price again. So if this is still too expensive for you, I definitely don't need any candy, so I'm going to be passing. But if this is too expensive for you, try the wait. My store has a decent amount left. I think more people are waiting this year, especially since the Walmart over by me only had 25% off on candy, which I guess shocked a lot of people this year. But every store, I guess, is trying to make more money. So if you can wait, then definitely wait till it's 80% off. But if it's the last bag of your favorite candy, 50% off is definitely an okay price. Right now, there's a great deal on Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. They are buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6, or you can grab the styling products for $7. But grabbing 2 of them will be $12. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7 at the register, get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $3 for both. Pantene products are on promotion, buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49 now. 49-cent difference, but grabbing 2 of them will be $10.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $8.98 at the register, get the $3 register reward for buying 2, make them $5.98 for both. Right now we have really good savings on Axe body wash. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get $2 in register rewards. So you're going to grab 1 at full price, 1 at 50% off. They're $6.79 at my store, so grabbing 2 will be $10.18. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you pay $5.18 at the register, get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $3.18 for both. Right now, there's a really good deal on the Safeguard hand soap. If this is the brand you like, they are buy 1, get 1 50% off, buy 2, get $2 in register rewards. You're going to grab 1 at full price, 1 at 50% off, and your total will be $8.23. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.23 at the register. Then we'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back when buying 2. Plus, we'll get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $4.23 for both. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I only did 2 deals. I did the Axe body wash and then the laundry $4.99 deal. So that's all I did. So, oopsies. As you can see, the Axe body wash and all 4 laundry products bring in at the correct price at $4.99. And then for register rewards, I had a $4 and a $3 that I rolled. And then for coupons, we have the $5 for the Axe and then $1 off of all 4 laundry products. So my subtotal was $14.14. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash because I wanted to see if the $5 Walgreens cash would attached to my account. It doesn't say that you have to spend any amount or anything, so I was just kind of curious. So I did earn that back. I'm trying to fold it so you guys can see it without seeing how much I have. because I'm paranoid like that, I guess. Yeah, so you can see here I earned the $5 and then I used $10. So with this $5 booster, you can use Walgreens cash, register rewards. Works out perfect, like a gem. So this transaction only cost me $4.14 for all 4 products. Then I did get the $2 register reward for the Axe, and then a little ad thingy, super wasteful, and then the $4 register reward for the laundry products. And thankfully this lasts over a week, so I have some time to use it. And the other one is like an old style, so I got the 2 full weeks, which is super nice. But actually everything worked out today. Register rewards printed, digital coupons came off, and I got my booster. So everything worked out perfectly, and it's pretty early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock my time, and I'm just finishing up in the store, which is usually early for me, but I usually don't go as early because like the earlier you go on Sunday, the more problems you're more likely to incur. So I got lucky today. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.